all love our cats and dogs, and many of us care for them and take care of them like family, right? But neglect and abuse is more common than we'd like to think. So, do they deserve stronger legal protections, like a Bill of Rights, for example, for pets? One of the people spearheading this effort is Assemblymember Miguel Santiago from Los Angeles, joining us now live. Assemblymember, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
So, Bill of Rights for cats and dogs. Explain what this would cover. If I go and want to adopt a dog or cat, this is meant more for me than the animal, correct?
Correct, and it's about an education process so that you know if you're getting a cat or a dog, they have basic rights like clean water, clean food, exercise, and the ability not to have cruel or inhumane conditions. It's pretty simple.
And when we talk about the genesis for all of this, during the past 2 years of pandemic, so many people have adopted pets, and many of them, once they got busy, got back to work, they just passed the pet off or didn't treat them right. And this is kind of the genesis for all this, correct?
Correct, and now that we're getting dogs and cats back into shelters because folks are normalizing their lives, going to work, what we want to make sure, and what should have happened, is that people know what they're getting into. If you're getting a dog, it's a big dog, energetic dog, you're going to need to exercise that dog. You need to clean its water every day. You're going to need to feed it every day. Very different during a pandemic life where folks worked from home and stayed at home for most of the day. So this will help to improve those lives.
And when we talk about the Bill of Rights here, there are 7 basic rights, and you might think, oh, 7's a lot. But these are basic common things that, as a good pet owner, you should already be doing.
Correct, absolutely. Now, we still need to educate people so they know what they're getting into. Like changing its water every day, making sure it has nutrition, making sure you walk the dog, spay and neuter, something simple like a tag in case the dog gets lost.
Do you think that this will also help? I mean, making laws, one of the reasons is for when law enforcement comes around and has to confiscate a dog or an animal, or they go into a home and they found an animal being abused. This could give that law more teeth to make an arrest or something like that, correct?
Well, what it's intended really to do is to be posted in an agency or a rescue organization so that if I go in, I'm going to rescue a dog, I now know what conditions and what is normalized behavior. Most of the rules that are already set in place and laws to prevent animal cruelty are already in place. So law enforcement has these tools. So
more affirmative than punitive. Does this have a good chance at passing? I mean, these seem to be all pretty much common sense. Is there a lot of effort behind this?
I think people are excited about it, which when I explain to our colleagues, explain to the general public, it makes sense. Yeah. We should educate people before they get a dog.
If you know someone who works at a shelter, you know that they want this desperately. More people better educated before they pick up a pet and take it home. Assemblymember Santiago, thank you for joining us this morning with the Cats and Dogs Bill of Rights. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, 8:18.